I thought I would share this clip to show how dramatic Mumen can be, but also show off some of his tricks that he can do.
Ouch. Training.
Ouch, training. Ouch, training. Mumen want training? Are you okay? Are you okay, Mumen?
I think I may have mentioned in a previous video that Mumen will sometimes use the ouch button as an attention-seeking button, and that seems to be the case here.
Want training, Mumen?
So I attempt to soothe his emotional anguish before moving on to training.
You do training. Leg. Struggle. Good boy. Back up. Back up. Good boy. Leg. Crawl. Very excited crawl. Back up. Back up. Bang bang. Oh, he did. Good boy. Let me spin. Let me twirl. Bang bang. Oh, good boy. Let me jump. Jump. Good boy. Under. Under. Come on. You remember under? Okay. Over. Oh my gosh. Are you okay? Are you okay? You're too excited. Sit. Touch. Shake. Other. Sit. High five. Good boy. Sit. Pause up. Walk, 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 walk. Good boy. Oh my goodness. Training all done. There's a good boy.
Training. All done.